guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you guys are new to my channel, then welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you guys love the content that I create, then consider subscribing to my channel, like today's video, share with your friends and family, and also comment down below. Also, do not forget to hit on the notification bell so you guys are notified every single time I upload a new video. So guys, today's video is going to be my self-care session for a happy me using IKKAI's these two products. So this one is IKKAI's organic grapefruit margarita face wash. It is preservative free, it is for all skin types, and the key ingredient of this face wash is grapefruit. It's a detoxifying and rejuvenating face wash. And the next product is IKKAI's organic fruity surprise face mask. Again, it is preservative free and it is for all skin types. The key ingredient of this face mask is blueberry. It's a restoring and moisturizing face mask. And look at the packaging, guys. The packaging is so much fun, cute and vibrant. Absolutely love it. So today I will be using these two products. So then without further ado, let's get started. I always start off by removing my makeup. Once I'm done with that, I like to wash my face with IKKAI's organic grapefruit margarita face wash. I love the easy to squeeze tube and the gel formulation. Also guys, it smells so fruity and fun. IKKAI organic grapefruit margarita face wash is the perfect fruity cocktail that detoxifies and rejuvenates your skin for that healthy, radiant glow. This pH balancing cleanser calms and clarifies your skin without stripping it. It is rich in antioxidants and vitamins. Grapefruit extract nourishes and revives your skin while helping to even out skin tone for a smooth complexion. It also guys lathers really well, and I like how it thoroughly cleans my skin without stripping it. Not only my skin, but even I feel super refreshed. I love applying face masks. Believe me guys, face masks are an ideal treatment for facial relaxation, and IKKAI's fruity surprise face mask puts me in such good mood. It is enriched with the goodness of natural blueberry extract, vitamin E and niacinamide. IKKAI fruity surprise face mask helps revive your skin's youthfulness, boosts radiance and targets spots. Containing the potency of niacinamide, this face mask is loaded with essential vitamins which helps brighten the skin. It is ideal for all skin types, it is free of preservatives, and it restores and moisturizes the skin. The way to apply this mask is apply it evenly all over your face and neck, leave it on for 10 minutes, don't wait for it to dry down completely and then rinse it off. And it is vital to stay hydrated, so I make sure that I drink sufficient water. Guys, this yummy face mask nourishes and moisturizes my skin and makes it super soft. Once I'm done with my skincare, I like to change into my night suit. I also love to burn the candle because it changes the whole vibe. I love teas guys. Every night I drink green teas or any herbal tea because it just calms me down. While I am having my tea, I like to watch some light series. I also love journaling. It helps me so much. It's super therapeutic. I always like to write down my thoughts while listening to meditative music. And right before hitting the bed, I like to meditate for at least 10 minutes. It helps me sleep better and it relaxes my body. And finally, I am ready for a good night's sleep. Hope you all enjoyed today's video. Bye.